Hi, so today I'm going to share with you a couple of albums, and then I will also be doing a tutorial on how to make them. So this was my first attempt, which is not brilliant. I made quite a few mistakes, but I was figuring out how things work. This will be for my granddaughter for our holiday in London that we did over the Easter holidays. I'll just very quickly show you this. And then I will show you a slightly better version. Like a waterfall, a pocket. The graphics on this one are, I'll try and have to put these into shot, from Nitwit Collections, that I absolutely love. This has got a little magnet closure there. Okay, this element has changed on the final product, but the basis of it is still the same. And again, a little magnet closure on that one. Lots of little booklets for her to write into and to add all our photographs. I'll show you a whole of that. This page doesn't actually make it into the designed ones that I'm going to have available, because it was just a bit too bulky and big to have all the pages, but that's why we did the experiment with some more cute photo mats. She absolutely loved the In Big Ben. It was the highlight of her tour, I think. Again, this one doesn't make it into the final design, but I'm going to do some different styles and I'll include pages like this in those. This is a little one. I haven't included that in the design either. This one opens down and then up and then out. And then this final page, which lifts up and has little cute pockets. This will be the front cover on the other albums, and I have a folio pocket for the back cover, but again I was just working out spaces with these ones. This gives you an idea of the kind of work that goes into developing any new product that I do. This also has a magnet closure on the full designed version. I shall put that one away for now. Okay, so this was the refined version. Again, I'm still ironing out some problems with this one. I forgot to put a ribbon closure on this before I made it. So I have a little list of things to remember when I'm making this tutorial. But anyway, so this is a baby one. I will do this one. I'm going to do a girl one and a neutral one. They do take a long time to design, so bear with me as they come. But again, so this is now the front cover with the little tags, space for photo, space for photo there. Obviously on the tags you could journal. I did put quite a lot of stripy paper on the backs of tags to give the effect of lines for doing journaling. And again, this one comes with a little card that I made for the baby's name, date of birth, time, weight, length, and another little thing so you can add some nice new photographs. the baby. I know a lot of people, when they do baby books, they kind of start with ultrasound pictures, baby showers, pictures of mum pregnant, and then you can go towards the new baby arriving. Okay, so the first page, technically this is page 1A, is how it's listed in the design. Some of the photo mats and tags are not in this one because I've been working out how many I needed in different places, so they're not always in here. But anyway, this has a little pocket, and then this page here has these two little flips, and then it has another little pocket here. On this page, got a belly band, the longer books to fit through there, and I quite like this little idea. I've done this on the other one that I've done as well. Just like a little way to hold a small photo mat or journaling card. Okay, this one doesn't open very well. There we go. So this is page 2. This bit comes out like this. And this slides open like this. This part of this design was from a Michelle Allen tutorial, which I will try to link in the description. But it's quite cute, and it kind of speaks towards my kind of more card making ideas and designs that I tend to do. And that slides in there to hold it closed. Okay, onto this page. So I have a pocket here with a nice little card. This has got little bits extra, things like this I've left with extra bits, so you can slide photographs underneath. Magnet closure on this, and another lovely waterfall with lots of cute little designs, and then spaces for photographs here. A pocket with the belly band. Again, lots of space for little photographs, for little messages. This is quite hard to do in my little recording studio, which is basically just a large cardboard box, but it's fine for cards, not so much for albums. I might have to work on some other ideas. Okay, so this page, again, magnet closure. If you have difficulty cutting these bits, you can easily cut them off. They're not necessary, but they do just give a nice little tab to open them. And then again, these bits are added extra cardboard bits, so you can slide your photos underneath. That needs another one because I forgot that I needed one here, an extra one for the magnet. Okey-doke. Okay, again, this one has changed for a third time. This was a smaller little gatefold that I put over to the side in the original London album. Lifts up, space to slide your photo under there, and a little pocket here. In the newer one, this has got little corner pockets and a little tab to hold it shut. I just thought that was just a bit neater than having the magnets. But you could choose not to put the pocket in there and do it differently if you wanted to. You can personalise these in many ways. You don't have to do it exactly as your design is done. Another cute little booklet with, yep, a little bit underneath there, a little photo mat into that belly band. This opens up, we have another little pocket here. Then we have this cute little piece here, which I'm using a magnet on, but you could tie with ribbon if you wanted to, just put the ribbon underneath, tie it around. But I will go through that with the tutorial. Again, a little tuck spot for photographs. And then this part folds out. I slightly changed it don't know if you can see. I've got a photograph under there. In the design there are lots of these little page edges. Sometimes they are used to cover up tabs where pages have attached, but there are loads of extra ones that you can just put in wherever you want if you feel like you want to break up the design a little bit. This is just a little double corner pocket. I need to have some more little cards to go in there. Okay, this is quite a big one. So this one now opens like this. This is pretty much the same as in the previous design. You could use a magnet on this as well. I think in the design I've included an extra sheet of paper, so you can put your magnet under here and hold it closed, or you could hold it closed at the top, might be better. But I think the ribbon works really nice for that one. And then we have another little gatefold section here. Again, a little magnet here. They fold up, you can do the journaling, add a photograph. Again, you can slide it under there. This lifts up, and you have two little mini pockets with little tags in, and space for another photograph up here. And then this is the extra bit that's been added onto the back, which is just a little pocket so you can add in lots of extra things. On this one, for the baby one, I've included a little card that says baby's first birthday. So you could do this for the first year and just add in photos and messages. And again, you could use a magnet to close this. I'm going to provide the design. This has got a button picture underneath, and I've just kind of raised it up on little round cardboard pieces. But I'm going to declude the design without the button in, so you can add a physical button if you prefer, or something else, so you don't have to do the little cardboard buttons. But I wanted to try and make sure that it was possible to do the whole design with just the design, scissors, glue, some magnets or ribbons. But like I say, the magnets aren't necessary. You can do ribbons on all of them if you really want to, because it's not always easy getting hold of the magnets. I got mine off Amazon. So that's the first one, and we shall now pause this. I'm going to do a tutorial video which I will list separately, but I'll probably be coming back to visit this one. Okay.